Looking to upgrade your car's sound system without hassle? The Scosche SAHR6 speaker adapters let you swap out your factory speakers for high-quality aftermarket options, fitting perfectly into your vehicle's existing speaker locations. If you've been frustrated by complicated installs or poor fit, these adapters offer a straightforward solution that delivers a clean, gapless connection every time. I recently upgraded the door speakers on my Honda Ridgeline, and the difference was night and day. The Scosche adapters fit like a glove, cutting installation time down to just 10 minutes per door. Made from durable, high-grade ABS material, they're built to last and engineered for a precise fit that holds your new speakers securely in place. Plus, they accommodate most 6.5 inches or 6.75 inches aftermarket speakers with a top mount diameter up to 5 5/8 inches, so you have plenty of options to customize your sound. These adapters are specifically designed for select models: 2004 to 2012 Acura RL, 2007 to 2014 Honda Fit, and 2006 to 2016 Honda Ridgeline. Before you buy, just check the fit guide and measurements to make sure your speakers will match up perfectly. What's more, Scosche stands behind their product with lifetime tech support and a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind with your upgrade. If you want to enhance your driving experience with better sound, the Scosche SAHR6 speaker adapters are worth a look. They make the upgrade process simple, secure, and reliable, so you can focus on enjoying your music instead of wrestling with installation. Try them when you're ready to hear your favorite songs in a whole new way.